Hi everyone, I'm Anagha from Access Language School, and in this session let us discuss about how your listening ability would be assessed in your OET examination. Now the listening subtest has been designed in such a manner in order to assess a wide variety of or a range of listening skills, like your ability to identify a particular piece of information or maybe to understand the overall idea of the passage. How do you relate those ideas? And also how effectively you're able to understand the opinion which the speaker is trying to state. So somewhat it is interrelated to the reading ability, right? Yes, it is interrelated. And also something you need to keep in your mind is these skills would be assessed with respect to the note completion task as well as the MCQs which you would be solving. So note completion task would appear in part A, which would be with respect to the consultation extracts which would be provided, and you would be required to complete selected notes like a sentence completion or all those kinds of things. And talking about MCQs, it is related to part B and part C, where you will have to listen to the workplace interactions, short workplace passages, and also the medical presentations or maybe interviews which should be provided as audios in order to assess whether you are able to follow a medical presentation or an interview. So this is the assessment criteria on the basis of which you will be marked. And also, as I already mentioned in the reading ability, the people or the examiners who would be judging you or assessing you would be, yes, professional staffs, and they will be judging against a marked scheme. And if you have any kind of queries or if you think that there is any mistake which has been committed, you're free to register your complaint, which would be definitely addressed and justice would be delivered to you. So something you need to keep in your mind is your reading ability as well as your listening ability in the OET subtest is quite interrelated to each other. And if you're able to follow these tips and keep all these things in your mind, you will definitely able to achieve a remarkable score in both these tests. So I hope that it was informative and useful, and all the best for your examinations. Thank you.